In what ways does a person die on the inner planes? Is there violence there as well?
In what ways does a person die in the inner planes? What's the second word?
Violence. Is there
Yeah,
violence?
my glass is not too good. Better use the regular ones. Is there violence there as well? Well, dying is in different ways. When we die in the physical body, we can die a natural death. They call it natural death. Old age, illnesses that come in old age, something fail, organs fail, and the soul says that he has left the body, only flesh is left there. That's one way of dying. Second way of dying is can be violent death. Somebody murders you, or you commit suicide. So you have ended your life differently than the natural way. Were you supposed to live to that natural life or not? According to the law of karma, your life is based upon the natural way of dying, not violent way of dying. When you die violently, the remaining part of your notional life, your astral self, dying is merely the separation of astral self. Your astral self is still there to continue the remaining part of your notional life. Supposing somebody's notional life is 80 years. At age 50, he dies of murder. 30 years more, the astral self will be here, not reincarnate or not go anywhere else. So that is why violent deaths that take place here are not actually the death as it is normal. Normally, when the death takes place, one can go anywhere, reincarnate almost immediately, for which a body might already be being prepared. Because when a person dies and has to reincarnate as a human being, the person may be walking here and the mother to be may be carrying a baby. It's in the 5th month of pregnancy when the quickening takes place and the mother feels the baby moving in the womb, that the soul of that person actually enters and makes a separate living being. Before that, it's part of the mother. It's just a fetus. It's part of the mother. So it can happen, person is walking, woman is pregnant, same very person is going to be born there. So these birth and death are merely the movement of the astral self into a physical body and leaving the physical body. So violent deaths are taking place here, but in the inner self, there is no violent death of this kind. Only when you have completed your term, which in the astral self is between 1000 and 3000 years of physical time, the body passes naturally. The astral self passes naturally and the causal self comes out. The causal self remains intact for millions of years. The causal self is our mind. The mind we are holding right now in our head, the mind that is using the brain to think, that mind has a very long life. That is why when the same mind is there in the astral body, the same mind can remember things that happened way before the body was born. People can recollect past lives. Sometimes they can remember it even now, because the astral self, the causal self, and the physical self all overlap right now. They're all functioning together. They're not separate somewhere. So they all function. The sensory perceptions we are using in the physical body is coming from the astral self. The thoughts we are using, rationality we are using, is coming from the causal self. And the life that we have, the consciousness we have is coming from the soul. All these work together. So there is violent death and premature death taking place in the physical plane, but because the knowledge is much more in the other plane, that is why this violence does not take place there. But the death is always in natural time.